Hey, fellow travelers, are you ready for an unforgettable journey? Welcome to meet your new fantastic travel companion, Private Guide World mobile app. The easiest way to find your perfect local private tour guide, right at your fingertips. Step 1. Download the app from the store. Super quick and hassle-free. Step 2. Sign up with just your name, email, and password. Feel free to upload a cool avatar pic if you want to stand out, but it's totally optional. Step 3. Type in your dream destination. Let's say Istanbul, Turkey. That's where the magic begins. Step 4. Filter by language to get the most relevant results. Our platform functions in 6 languages. We've got you covered. Step 5. Explore our experienced local private tour guides. Check out their profiles, tours, official confirmation of their professional qualifications, and what other travelers say. It's like having your own travel expert. Step 6. Reach out. Use our built-in instant messenger to get in touch with chosen local tour guides. And if you got no time, no worries. You can send a mass message to all the tour guides in the city at once. Step 7. You can also send personalized requests to your favorite tour guides. Step 8. Watch the magic happen. Quick replies, friendly chats, and all on our platform in few clicks. With your personal local tour guide by your side, you're ready to explore the breathtaking wonders of ancient Istanbul. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact our support team by email support@pgworld or on social networks. We are here for you 24/7, 365. Travel inspired, always.